that is federalism. Unit 1, Chapter 2. First, what is federalism? Federalism. What is federalism? Federalism is a system of government in which the power is divided between a central authority and various constituent units of the country. Usually, a federation has two levels of government. In India, it is of three levels, that is central, state and Panchayati Raj. One is the government for the entire country that is usually responsible for a few subjects of common national interest. The others are government at level of province or state that look after much of day-to-day administering of their state. Both these levels of governments enjoy their power independent of the other. The government at national level did not interfere in the matters of the state level, and government at the state level did not interfere in the matter of the national level. Federal versus unitary government. Federal government. There are usually two, or in some countries there are more than two levels of government who execute their authority independent of each other. Whereas in unitary government, under the unitary system, either there is only one level of government or the sub-units are subordinate to the central government. In federal system, the central government cannot order the state government to do something. The central government can pass on order to the provincial, state or the local government in unitary system. State government has power of its own for which it is not answerable to the central government, and both these governments are separately answerable to the people. So in federal government, both national and state government are answerable to the people. Both of them have their independent power. Both of them cannot interfere into the matter of others. But in unitary government, there is only one central government which runs throughout the nation, and there are sub-units to help them. This much video for today. You should study about it more in your NCERT books. Also, a question of 3 number and sometime question of 5 number comes in the examination from this chapter. It is one of very important chapter, federalism. In next slide, I will tell you more about it. Thank you.